Good security is honest and transparent because nothing is 100% secure. So if a vulnerability is found, it is important to communicate it openly to the customer so that the customer can react and secure his systems. Phoenix Contact has set up a product security incident response team to deal with such issues. The team then works with the developers from the product areas in order to create a solution. This solution is then posted on the PCERT website, where you can also report vulnerabilities found. Accordingly, it is a sign of good security if a supplier provides security maintenance for products over a long period of time. This is particularly important for security products such like firewalls that offer a large attack surface.